Hey everyone, we're back again with another drop test. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a Technic set. I know we don't do too many Technic sets because they usually stand up pretty well, but I just happened to see this one sitting on the shelf, so wanted to go ahead and give it a try. It's kind of a cool little tractor set. You can see as you pull it along the ground, it actually activates the little lawnmower part. So let's see how this does being dropped. Three, two, one. Yep, these are as sturdy as they come. I didn't see anything at all even come loose on this set. So if you're looking for a sturdy model for the kids, definitely get these Technic ones. Thanks for watching.